Finding ways of enhancing and improving what we do was a key area of focus last year, and we agreed to develop an IT infrastructure which supported alternative ways of working by utilising technology to reduce operational risk, and to create a forum to explore the ideas and suggestions from our staff. Some of the service's notable achievements over the last 12 months were that the ICT department completed a rollout of technology and systems to enable staff to work in a much more agile way during the pandemic. This has included a service-wide project to upgrade the connectivity and infrastructure at all of our fire stations. Newer lighter laptops that are more suitable to mobile working were trialled by the ICT department and have been rolled out to the tactical officers who attend larger scale incidents. New mobile data terminals, MDTs, essentially laptop computers on the fire appliances, together with new software, have been bought, configured and tested, and now due to be installed on all frontline fire appliances during the summer of 2021. This will provide real-time risk information and intelligence to crews, as well as increase the effectiveness of communication between those attending incidents and fire control. During the height of the pandemic, we launched an Unlocking Our Service survey, which looked to gather the views and opinions from our staff about how the service should unlock. Through the use of action learning sets, the feedback was further developed to assist with the development of unlock plans. The People Development Department updated PDR Pro to version 5, which was designed to make maintenance of competence easier to record and to better understand any training gaps that appear. They've also started to implement LearnPro, a content management system which provides an e-learning platform that talks to PDR Pro, all of which should make things more seamless for our operational staff who undertake training. The Ideas Forum was created. Chaired and attended by staff that form a vertical slice of the organisation, the forum considered ideas from staff members and explored those that could be taken further to improve either the service or the services provided to the communities. Ideas have ranged from sustainability initiatives to improvement suggestions about response and wellbeing opportunities. One of the ideas progressed by the forum was to create wellbeing pods or spaces within the service to enable staff to access an environment that would assist with good mental health and wellbeing. This is just a brief summary of what we've delivered during the last 12 months, but further information about the progress we made against our objectives can be found in our annual performance assessment by visiting www.morefire.gov.uk.